is a unique planet always going through change driven by internal and external forces. Flows of magma within our planet move the plates that form the crust in a constant process that builds mountains and creates valleys. These valleys may become lakes, seas, and oceans. Factors that affect climate: latitude, global wind patterns, heat circulation, topography, vegetation. Latitude. There is a relationship between latitude and temperature around the world. The sun rays strike the equatorial region at a direct angle that then poles, making the temperature at the poles much colder and the temperature at the equator much warmer. Solar energy hitting the Earth's surface at the poles is less intense than the energy striking the Earth near equator. This gives a result for 5 regions: tropical, dry, temperate, continental, polar. Global wind patterns. Earth spins creates 3 belts of circulation. Air circulates from the tropics to regions approximately 30 degrees north and south latitude where the air masses sink. 2 additional belts of circulating air exist in the temperate latitudes between 30 degree and 60 degree latitude, and near the poles between 60 degree and 90 degree latitude. Winds develop as hot air expands and cold air compresses. By circulating the air, the winds help to redistribute energy and reduce the Earth's temperatures. If winds have been blown from a hot area, they will rise temperatures. If winds have been blown from cold areas, they will lower temperatures. Along with other vital processes, global wind patterns help to create hospitable environment for life on Earth. Heat circulation. Different surfaces of Earth heat and cool at different rates, creating wind patterns and ocean currents. The different temperature between heating and cooling of land and water creates wind. Land heats and cools faster than water. Water requires more amount of energy to increase its temperatures than other materials. For this reason, air moves from the sea to the crust during the day and from the crust to the sea during the night. Evaporation used a lot of energy too. Ocean currents transport warm water and precipitation from the equator towards the poles and cold water from the poles back to the tropics. Those ocean currents regulate global climate and help in the distribution of solar radiation reaching Earth's surface. Topography. The topography of an area can influence the weather and climate. The effects of topography on the climate of any given region are powerful. It is relief of an area. If an area is close to a body of water, it tends to make a milder climate. Mountains are exposed to the cooler temperatures of higher altitudes. As air rises, it also cools. Cooler air is capable of holding less water vapor than warmer air. As air cools, this water vapor is forced to condense, releasing rain or snow. Vegetation. Vegetation can affect climate due to the release of water vapor during photosynthesis. The release of vapor into the air adapts the surface energy flow and leads to clouds formation. Clouds adjusted the amount of sunlight that can reach the earth, affecting the energy balance, and in some areas they can lead to precipitation.